don't pay tax.
Yeah, but you used to say that, yeah, you don't pay tax, but you used to say that.
Yeah, I do, because they take their clothes serious.
Rather
They like treat it as a uniform, and it shouldn't be. Where your clothes are nothing.
Isn't the music supposed to be for everyone?
Make one of me. Yes.
I'm in the
That's what clothes are about. It's for everyone. That's why you should take clothes serious. Once you start going into that elitism business, like, you're just condescending and bullshitting.
I'm too cold now, I'm going back downstairs.
What do they want? It's the scene, the whole thing. All of this, it's bullshit, isn't it? Well, I've had enough of your bullshit.
I ain't a star, I don't want to be a star ever.
I can't wait for it to get dark.
as soon as you like. The licensee of this premises wants you off, so please leave now before there's any further trouble. Please leave.
Have you got a contract? Yes. Can I see the written contract? Show me contract you got. Have you got a copy of the contract? Hang on.
Here is because it's the Sex Pistols. If it wasn't the Sex Pistols, there'd be no interest in this boat tonight. We'd be having a fun.
Back on. We're not getting off until the power's back on.
All right, now we're going to do a song called Problems. Problems, so why am I here? I need to make cause you're all too clear. And I can see there's something wrong with you. I want for you expect me to do what's going
It requires you to leave and you'll have to leave. So not we pay £500 but not the business.
I think I gotta know what I want to be. Come to me yesterday, can't see. Are you lonely? Got no one. Party, this vision, rob around, rob around, rob around, I ain't automatic. One for me, just stay ain't static. Don't you give me any order. For people like me, there is no order. Who's in charge of the festival anyway? I'm in charge of the festival. I'm still in charge of the festival. If you book it, you're under my jurisdiction. That's the fact you had it all worked out. That's the fact you knew what I was about. So, trying to get people off is going to create a lot more trouble.
He's a friend of mine. Fucking rough.
What you gonna do? Well, I'll leave it to you.
That's halfway down the stairs. At 7, the Alessi Brothers and O'Laurie. At number 6, Emerson, Lake and Palmer and Tanvir. At 5, the Electric Light Orchestra, Phone Line. 4, Stranglers and Teachers. 3, Queen, Loverboy. And 2, Eagles, Hotel California. The Sex Pistols' current record, God Save the Queen, is at number 1 in the Capitol hitline today. But the IBA, which administers the Broadcasting Act, has advised us that particularly at this time, this record is likely to cause offense to a number of our listeners and have asked us not to play it in our normal programming. However, we will be playing this record with the authorities' approval at 7:30 p.m. tonight on Brian Wolf's Open Line, and we'll welcome your views about the punk rock phenomena, which this is part of.